Lesson 243. Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Hi there. Would you like to shed light on our usual mindset and explore how we can change it to live more peacefully and aligned with our inner truth? Let's dive into the wisdom that Lesson 243 has for us.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
I will be honest with myself today. I will not think that I already know what must remain beyond my present grasp. I will not think I understand the whole from bits of my perception, which are all that I can see. Today I recognize that this is so. And so I am relieved of judgments that I cannot make. Thus do I free myself and what I look upon, to be in peace as God created us. Father, today I leave creation free to be itself. I honor all its parts, in which I am included. We are one because each part contains your memory, and truth must shine in all of us as one.
In other words, if we are honest with ourselves, we cannot help but notice that we have a very limited understanding of what's happening around us. And that's just what we perceive directly. What about what's beyond our grasp? Our perception captures only fragments of a much bigger picture we can't even begin to comprehend. Yet, we live our lives with a very common and consistent mindset: we judge. Consciously or unconsciously, we often find ourselves judging whatever comes into our perception. We probably do this out of fear, believing we need to judge in order to survive or guide our lives in the best direction. But we don't actually know what's best for us, and judgment often acts as a barrier to spiritual insights. So today, let's accept that we simply don't get it all. This will surprisingly lift a lot of pressure and bring us unexpected levels of inner peace. Let's just stop passing judgment, recognizing that we're not equipped to evaluate things effectively. If we're concerned that letting go of judgment means losing control, let's remember yesterday's lesson and let God guide our lives. Let's leave ourselves and everything around us free to simply be in peace, as God created us. Let's allow creation to be itself, honoring all its parts, ourselves included. Let's remember that we're all one, and that each of us carries the memory of God within, with our inner truth shining brightly in all of us as one.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Isn't that incredible? Can you imagine how freeing ourselves from the need to judge can change our lives for the better? Keep practicing every morning and evening, just as we have been. And remember to pause every hour for a moment, and whenever you feel tempted, to remind yourself, today I will judge nothing that occurs. Remember, we are currently in the third section of the second part of the workbook for students in A Course in Miracles, the section titled What is the World? This section invites us to release judgment and acknowledge the limitations of our perception, aligning with the concept that the world we see is an illusion born from the belief in separation. By choosing not to judge, we admit that our understanding is incomplete and often distorted by illusions of fear and separation. This practice frees us from the false perceptions that cloud our vision, allowing us to see the world through the Holy Spirit's eyes. In doing so, we honor all of creation, recognizing that each part, including ourselves, contains the memory of God. Letting go of judgment aligns us with the truth of our oneness and brings us closer to the peace and unity that reflect our eternal reality in God. If you haven't watched the video introduction to this section yet, look out for the video link that should pop up on your screen at the end of this video, or check the video description below for the link to section 3.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
Today I will judge nothing that occurs.
You are doing great. And you're on a wonderful journey. Keep up the good work. See you tomorrow for another empowering lesson. Quick note before you go. Making these videos is a labor of love, but it's still financially challenging. If you've found value in what you've watched, please consider supporting with a donation. Even the humblest contribution means the world and ensures the continuation of these daily lessons. Thank you for your generosity.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.